Being a project manager is not an easy job. It requires a lot of skills and attention to detail. What do you think is the most important aspect of project management?
I think the most important aspect of project management is communication. You need to be able to communicate effectively with your team, stakeholders, and clients to ensure that everyone is on the same page.
I agree. Good communication skills are crucial for project success. But what do you think is the hardest part of project management?
The hardest part is dealing with unexpected challenges and changes. You need to be able to adapt quickly and come up with solutions on the fly.
That sounds stressful. Is project management a stressful job?
It can be stressful at times, but it's also very rewarding. Seeing a project come together and succeed is a great feeling.
What's the main purpose of project management?
The main purpose is to deliver a project on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of the stakeholders.
What would be the main 5 tasks of a project manager?
The 5 main tasks are planning, organizing, leading, controlling, and closing. Each of these tasks is crucial for project success.
Why do you think many people quit project management?
Many people quit because they find it too stressful or overwhelming. But if you have the right skills and mindset, it can be a very fulfilling career.
Do project managers have a future?
Absolutely. As long as there are projects to be managed, project managers will always be in demand.
How can someone be a happy project manager?
By staying organized, communicating effectively, and focusing on the big picture. And of course, having a positive attitude helps too.